This is day 15 of teaching you about electronics every day until you become a master. Yesterday we learnt about PWM. Now let's look at how we use it.
The jump from here to sinusoidal PWM really isn't that big. All we have to do is have the duty cycle of our square wave increase and decrease in a sinusoidal way. I have greatly simplified this so the frequency is extremely low, but you can kind of see how this would work now, with a lower voltage being a shorter pulse and a higher voltage being a longer pulse. In reality, there's thousands of different levels of pulse we can have, and we sample it thousands of times a second, so it's much closer to an actual sine wave, but that's quite difficult to represent, so I simplified it. If we have a high enough resolution, basically the number of different voltages we can produce, we can get extremely close to a sine wave. A higher frequency also definitely helps. This is a lot like in audio. When you see an audio bit rate, it has a number of bits, which is the resolution, and then the sampling rate, which is how often it samples it. This is exactly what we're doing with sinusoidal PWM. The only difference is that we only need to create a sine wave, so we can program in our sine wave and then just use that.